This wonderful pastime has been narrated by His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj. He says, a middle-aged, well-to-do Indian businessman challenged Srila Prabhupada. He said, "Why are you building new temples when there are so many old temples in need of renovation and repair?" Srila Prabhupada did not answer the question directly. Instead, he asked the gentleman, "Who is that lady sitting next to you?" The man said, "She is my wife." Prabhupada asked, "Why did you get married?" The man got flabbergasted and couldn't answer. So Prabhupada answered, "You got married because you wanted to have children. But why have children when there are so many children loitering in the streets? Just as you want to have your own child, similarly, a devotee wants to build a temple, install the deity, and offer the temple to Krishna." All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories to His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj. Nidai Gaur Premanande. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.